Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a game changer that'll revolutionize your smart home setup. Imagine controlling your lights, fans, and appliances with just your voice. Sounds like magic, right? Well, get ready to be amazed because we're about to unbox the Amazon Smart Plug. This little device is about to become your new best friend in home automation. It's compact, sleek, and packs a punch when it comes to functionality. But do not let its size fool you. This smart plug is a powerhouse that works seamlessly with Alexa to make your life easier. Now, let's talk setup. You know how some tech gadgets can be a nightmare to install. Not this one. The Amazon Smart Plug is all about simplicity. Just plug it in, open your Alexa app, and boom, you're ready to go. No hub required, no complicated wiring, just plug and play. It's so easy, even your grandma could do it. But what can you actually do with this smart plug? The possibilities are endless. Want to turn on your coffee maker before you even get out of bed? Done. Need to switch off that lamp you accidentally left on while you're at work? No problem. You can even set schedules for your devices to turn on and off automatically. It's like having a personal assistant for your electronics. One of the coolest features is the ability to create routines. Imagine saying, "Alexa, good morning," and having your lights turn on, your coffee start brewing, and your favorite morning playlists start playing. It's not just convenient, it's like living in the future. Energy savings are another big plus. You can easily turn off devices that are sucking power when not in use, helping you cut down on those pesky electricity bills. And for those of you who are always on the go, the away lighting feature can make it look like you're home even when you're not, adding an extra layer of security to your house. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: privacy. I know some of you might be concerned about having a connected device in your home, but Amazon has got you covered with multiple layers of privacy protection, including encryption and secure connections. You're in control of your data, and that's how it should be. The Amazon Smart Plug is also great for those with mobility issues or disabilities. It can make previously challenging tasks, like turning on a hard-to-reach lamp, as simple as saying a few words. To wrap things up, if you're looking to dip your toes into the world of smart home technology, the Amazon Smart Plug is the perfect starting point. It's affordable, user-friendly, and opens up a world of possibilities for home automation. Trust me, once you start using it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. So, what are you waiting for? Grab an Amazon Smart Plug and start living smarter today. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more cool tech reviews. Until next time, stay smart and stay connected.